and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about my hair experience because like you notice I have a new color and I'm so pleased. It has such a shine, and after I try to color my hair at home and I try different hairstyle, this is what I like it most. And for maintenance I will go after 1 month and maybe 2 months just to make my root, because I have gray hair and my roots are growing enough. So for the one that didn't know my story, I have bleached my hair twice with Munir in the last 2 years, and in this year I was bleached once in February with Munir, and the second one with Oligo about 2 months ago. Sorry. So my hair was in such a good condition after my two session of bleaching my hair, but I was trying to find a way that suit me better and also that covers my gray hair. But after I was bleaching my hair with Oligo, I was trying to some new hair dye from Apivita. I will insert the link from that video in the box below. But I have bleached hair, and after I put dark color, my hair wasn't so good, because my bleach highlight tends to have more of an khaki pigment or color. So I went to my hairdresser and I told her that I want a unique color, one single color that suit my skin tone very well. But she didn't want to color my hair then, because I was about 1 week ago since I colored my hair at home, so my pigment was still on my hair. So I tried different method. I will insert that video too, to help my pigment fade and go out of my hair cuticle. So I did this, and yesterday I went coloring my hair. It was such a nice feeling to have such a good color and good product on my hair, that I don't want anymore to test any other product or home dyes boxes. She colored my hair with Tecna. Wasn't since ammonia. So my scalp is in very good condition. Didn't smell all the thing that the traditional color gives. So now I have a very stressed hair after so many coloring. So she cut a tiny bit of it, and I want to grow out my hair, and I will purchase the Joico first step treatment, because my hairstylist told me that is the only thing that could help my hair in this situation. Also maybe I will buy the K18 treatment if I will find it on the sale. So this is my hair experience. I will buy the Joico treatment just to make sure that I can have a healthy hair now. It didn't notice that my mid ends are drying, and they broke a lot, but when she washed my hair I saw a huge amount of hair falling, and my hair was in a brittle condition that I didn't have till now. But I'm grateful that I have a good hair beside of this type that is fine and with a scalp condition sometimes. But I want to take care of it, and I will take care with Joico for steps treatment, and I will post in a future video to tell you if they do such a major difference on my damaged hair now.